Okay,
I'm only gonna say
so
because I'm just gonna run.
we want to do practice test number 5H, which we have now discerned some of the computer's prints all effed up. So if there's boxes and equal signs, find the right problem. Okay, equal signs don't belong in exponents. So I have w to the minus 2/5 over w to the minus 3/5. What do you do?
You want to move the one of them to the top? You have to move the
Move the bottom to the top.
Yeah, you just.
They're both negative, right? The exponents are both negative, so this one belongs in the top and this one belongs in the bottom.
Yeah. But you don't really want to do that because you won't get anywhere.
I don't know. We can get somewhere that way.
It's way easier to put at the top.
Okay. So you could do one of two things. You could either flip them both, so you get w to the 3/5 over w to the 2/5. And then you might ask yourself, okay, I've got 3/5 of a w up here, right? And then I'm going to divide by 2/5 of a w. What does that do?
1/5 of an W.
It should subtract the exponents, right? Because they kind of cancel.
Yeah.
So I'd get w to the 1/5. That's like maybe a super awkward way to think. Another way you could get there is you could say, there's a rule about subtracting exponents. So I could do w to the 3/5 minus 2/5. That's that same thing, right? Or another thing you could do, I'm going to do this 4 different ways. So another thing you could do from here is you could do that subtracting exponents rule. So you could say this is w to the minus 2/5 minus negative 3/5. That amounts to the same thing, right? Or yet another thing you could do is you could say, okay, this is w to the minus 2 over w to the minus 3 all to the 1/5. Right? Then you could flip the pieces over. Get w to the 3rd over w squared all to the 1/5. And then on this one, I know how to cancel. You guys see the onesies here? Right, on the top there's 3 w's, on the bottom there's 2. So this thing and this are a onesie.
Yep.
So I get w to the 1/5 power again. I don't care how you do this. Some valid exponent rules will get you there.
So this morning, Casey had us do reciprocals. So it was 1 over w to the whatever.
Sure. Yeah, so another way we could do
I don't
this.
think we've ever done that, have we?
She said something
Yeah.
about complex something.
She was using
Like what she was doing. Yeah, she was doing way different.
Yeah, she was doing complex fractions.
Yeah.
So one thing I could think is, okay, w to the minus 2/5.
I think that just made everyone more confused.
Oh, we can do this. It's not too bad.
No, I don't want to do it. I just meant this morning.
Yeah.
I think it just made everybody more
Yeah.
You guys don't want to see this?
Not again.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
I want to write it. I'm going to write it. Deal with it.
Everybody run.
How does that make it easy?
It doesn't make it easier. It's just another way to see it. So on this one, I might think to myself, okay, there's a bunch of w to the whatever fifths in here. I might clear the bottom by multiplying top and bottom by w to the 3/5. It'll get you to the exact same place.
Pretty much, yeah.
However you do this, I don't really care. Cool? So there's lots of options. Pick one. Other things?